What's up guys, it's Velx here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mod gorillatag fan game APKs. It's going to be a very simple tutorial. I'll show you how to add long arms, change pretty much anything you want, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so first thing you want to do is join my Discord Velx's Void, and go to APK modding pack and download the zip file. Then, you're just going to want to grab the zip file and extract it. So take just a second, and you'll be in my APK modding pack. Now, open up this folder, and you'll see two things: APK toolkit and UABEA. APK toolkit is what we're going to use to decompile and compile the APK, and UABEA is how we're going to actually change the APK to have our mods. Alright, to do this tutorial, I need an APK. So I'm going to go to my downloads, and I'm going to grab an APK. I'm just going to, as a test, be using my friend's game, Primal Ape. Do not do this on this game, and don't do it on any game that you really care about. So, and yeah. Alright, so let's get into it. First thing you're going to want to do is open up the APK toolkit folder, and then you'll see another folder, and you'll see APK toolkit. Just double click APK toolkit, and you'll get this interface. Then, once you have this interface, you're going to want to click the file folder icon thing here, or like the document folder, and go grab the APK that you want to mod. And you should see, if it loaded correctly, you should see the logo of it, and the name, and the studio. And then just hit decompile, and it's going to decompile the APK. Now you can close out of this. You can go back to the APK toolkit folder. You can go in decompiled, and you'll see the game fully decompiled in here. Let me know in the Discord if you have any errors or need help with this. Alright, now go into UABEA. Scroll to the bottom until you see the one with the pink logo, UABE Avalonia, and click that. And now you'll be in the actual UABEA tool. So click File, Open, go back to the APK Toolkit folder in here, decompiled, then the game you're modding, Assets, Bin, Data, and then click Unity 3D, data.unity 3D, and hit Open. Now, it's going to ask you whether you want to decompress the bundle to file or memory. You want to decompress it to memory. And now you'll have loaded into basically the game. Now, where it says Global Game Managers, click this drop down and change it to level 0. And then click Info. And you'll see basically every game object and everything in the game. But that's kind of annoying to work with, and you can't actually edit anything in here. So, to edit things, go to Tools, Scene Hierarchy, and you'll see basically everything you'd see in Unity. This is everything in the game. You got the map, you got the managers, the monsters, this is a horror game, and you got everything in here. So I'm going to show you how to enable and disable things, and how to add long arms. So let's say we want to disable the title text. We can go to Map, and we can find the title text. So here's Primal, and if we wanted to disable it, we go to PPTR game object, right click view asset, hit edit asset, and set is active to false if we wanted to disable it. You can also rename what it says right here under M name. So I'm gonna make this say Primal Ape, and then I'm gonna go to the one that says Ape, and I'm gonna make this say modded, so that the title will say Primal Ape modded instead of just Primal Ape. So now that's how you can change text and how you can enable and disable things. And I'll show you how to add long arms to your game, which will probably be the most important mod that you make. So you're gonna find, if you can only do this on games that use Gorilla Player or like something like that. So find the Gorilla, you should see Gorilla Rig. Go into that, click on Gorilla Player, right click this, edit the asset, or no, I messed up. You're gonna right click local scale and edit that, And you'll see right here, local scale 1, 2, and 3. You're going to go to the y-axis, and the bigger you make this number, the longer your arms will be. So I'm going to do long arms by setting this to 2, and then you hit OK. And now you have made your, once you've made all the edits you want to make, just close this, go to this window that you have, hit File, Save, then close this, and then finally File, Save again, and now you can close UABEA. So now we've modded the game, and now we basically need to compile it back into a APK. So you're gonna run APK toolkit again. You don't have to touch anything, just hit compile, and then go into compiled, and you'll see the modded APK right here. Now I'm gonna hop on the game and show you the changes we've made. But as you can see, I have crazy long arms. Yeah, I have really big long arms. And if I wasn't banned on the main room, it would say Primalate modded. So yeah, that's how to mod games with long arms and change things. Thanks for watching.